This is our last day of our tour. We were in Venice this morning, and coming to you here from the top of our hotel in Rome, at the rooftop bar and restaurant. It's gorgeous. We can see out Rome from here. This morning we had breakfast by the Grand Canal. It was gorgeous. Our restaurant had tables outside on the deck to overlook the channel, and it was a beautiful sunny morning. Couldn't really ask for more. I can't think of a more interesting place to have breakfast or supper or whatever this is. After that we went to a glass factory in Murano. It's like one of the islands around the Venice area. They're known for their glass. And then after the glass factory we left for Rome because it takes quite a while to get back here. We got here at about 6:30, 7 o'clock at night, and then we walked down for supper. We walked to some restaurant, served pizza and pasta like every other one, and then we went to the Trevi Fountain, which is huge, massive, like 2 horses and something in the middle. But mostly there was probably 2,000 people. It's 9 o'clock at night, I suppose, and there was probably 2,000 people by the fountain. It was crazy. People everywhere, like in Rome, walking the streets later at night. It just kind of comes alive. So you feel totally safe. It's kind of fun to walk around, and the temperature is great. It never gets too cold. And as you can see, here we are in this awesome place having a drink.